The beautiful thing about eggs, it can be done in so many ways. Scramble, sunny side up, soft boil, hard boil. There is one for everybody. Hey guys, it's your boy Chef Melvyn, and today I'll be using Choose Eggs to prepare two recipes. One, Omurice. The other one will be a dessert crème brulee. So you guys ready? Let's get it. So today we'll be using Choose Eggs for our Japanese Omurice recipe. It's packed full of nutrients, good for you, healthier choice, and locally lit. Let's go! A lot of people thinking that eggs are very high in cholesterol, can I have too much? No, there's good cholesterol and bad cholesterol. Of course, don't eat 100 eggs like a day. Personally, I take at least 40 eggs a week and I have zero heart problem. I highly recommend you to season your food in stages so it builds the flavor. So for me, I'm very into fitness. Ever since I switched from protein shakes to natural foods like Choose Eggs, I get natural protein. And natural protein is easier to absorb for your body. And also, I realized that I reach my peak faster with natural foods compared to the synthetic ones. So all you need to do is this. Cup it down. You guys want to see it? Nah, we cook eggs first. Alright. How do you know when to stop whisking? Is when you can incorporate the egg whites with the egg yolk and the milk and the cream, and you get a very smooth consistency. Okay, so now what I'm trying to do is get the eggs to not stick at the bottom and create all these waves and ribbons of egg. Are you guys ready? Let's go, people. So this is a classic example of how eggs can be the main show rather than a condiment. And then remember, use healthy eggs and good eggs. Sure, it's mine. Now let's start with the crème brulee recipe. So fresh eggs always have this egg white membrane surrounding the egg yolk. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so let me share with you a funny story. When I was younger, I used to stay with my grandma. The difference between mom, her egg is just very eat. You know, grandma does one step further. She poached the egg, and that's where I learned that to do very nice poached egg, you need to have very fresh eggs. So when grandma does that, my favorite thing to do is actually to poke the egg, and the yolk goes into the soup. It thickens the soup naturally. That's the only kind of soup that I will finish the whole bowl. That element of poking the egg and it oozes out, that wow factor overrides effort and flavor in the kitchen. Yeah, so visual is very important. Ta-da! So it's done. Over here, this is the fun part where you need to sprinkle some sugar to form the crust, and we are done. To know if your crème brulee is successful, you must have like a crust. You hear? So you guys know that I'm so into local produce and supporting local. So Choose has this egg, which is high in omega-3, it's super cool, it's white, and there's this SG Fresh Produce sign over here, this logo. So it's very easily spotted in any of your FairPrice. Thank you guys for joining me today, and please incorporate eggs into your daily diet. You'll feel healthier and happier. See you guys on the next one.